Yeah, welcome to day 4 of Catfish Foundation level. This is Agri Empower giving you the 4 Bootcamp training. Today, we will be looking at the agribusiness and market strategy. What does this mean that turning biology into bank statement? So we shall be looking so many things as in view of this. What is essential you needed to know to do so that you can actually carry on excessively and successfully your business of catfish. Let's look at costing, which is the foundation of pricing. Most of us, we don't know what it costs us to produce 1 kg or a certain weight of fish. And so then our pricing will be so challenging. So you cannot set a price until you know your total cost of production. So many farmers, where they are today, they fail because they forget this hidden cost. Now, one set up cost. This is one of the things many can as well overlook, and it's very expensive, though it is of capital. And this is your capital expenditure. It includes the cost of your tanks, the cost of plumbing and netting. So for business records, we spread this cost to be at least 3 to 5 years on depreciation level, because on the successful moment from 1 year to the next is losing value. So you must put that as an expense in form of depreciation every year so that you can write down the cost and then the production will take over it. And that from bulk of also part of what you will need to charge. The fingerlings and juveniles, this is the cost of your raw material. So I will give you this very tip. I will buy 10% extra to account for natural mortality during the first 2 weeks. Then the feed, this is the giant aspect where you spend. Usually is 70% of your total cost. You must track exactly how many bags of 2 mm bought, 4 mm bought, 3 mm bought, and 9 mm pellet that are consumed by the fish that you are rearing. Medication and water is another cost that many never take note of. Sometimes when they get ill or not doing well, they apply medication, get water here and there to get it a change. So medication includes the salt you use, the vitamins you use, the antibiotic you use. So water, the cost of electricity for plumbing or water bill. So if you use a petrol pump, track the liter use. So these are very essential. Now let's look at sales channel, where the money you are looking at is. So you need to look at where to get this money back to exchange for your goods. So don't wait for buyers to come to the farm. You go and meet them where they are to buy and get this thing. So open market is one. So this is high volume but lower price. It's good for clearing out and a pond quickly. Then household is a premium pricing. People pay more for farm to table fresh fish delivered to their doorstep. The next is restaurants and hotels. This requires consistency. So they need a specific weight and maybe 1 kg every Tuesday. Pepper soup joint, that's another gold mine. They prefer point and key sizes. Building a relationship here ensures a steady daily or weekly cash flow. Let's look at the profit estimation. Let's say you have the 100 fish case study. Let's look at it realistically as a model to learn from. So say now the stocking 100 feet juveniles at 20 kobo each, that will be 20 naira. Feeding that for 100 fish, maybe you after weigh them for 1 kg, you get 1.2 FCRS, that is 120 kg for those 100 fish. Then you then at 150 kg, that will give you subtotal of 180. Logistic, medication, water, transport, let's say 15 naira. Then total cost, sum of all the above 215. Now let's say projected selling price 100 kg of fish, assuming no one loss, no mortality, at 3 naira 50 kobo, that will be for the 100 350 naira. So gross margin, so 350 naira, which is the revenue, minus 215 naira, which is the cost, that will give you 135 naira profit. So cost per fish will be 215 divided by 100, that 2 naira 15 kobo is the cost of your fish. So let's look practical demonstration and the